how to make a model in Blockbase and get a So yeah guys, I will just make a bow, right? I will just make a bow. I will just make a bow. This is not perfect. Okay guys, it's done. If you want to pick the model, no. I'm okay. Go press template. If you don't press template, it will not paint. Yep, press template. So on top. Let me just make a bow. It's so top.
24 oras nang nawawala ang 12 anyos na anak ni Reynaldo na si Christian na may espesyal na posisyon sa paglilisip hanggang nabalitaan niya na may batang nanipis sa biyak na linupas sa katabi nilang bayan. Katabi ng pinagsakanilong ni Cornal, ang bangin na nasa 20 metro ang lalim.
Buti ko ang kita ng mga tao.
Hindi ko na lang kung pirma ni Reynaldo.
Sorry.
Dahil mo na nga ang kanyang anak na si Christian.
I'm not like a
Sa tungwa.
Gamit ang
Now you
jackhammer,
take
binibat ng mga receiver ang lupa para maalis ang ulo ng bata sa pagkakahimit.
I will just make a random story. So bad. Shoot any model that you want. See guys, it's done. And go click this. It's just like in my tutorial. Pick it. Scroll download, right? Click download. Now, time to tape. Tape model. I'm gonna press like from my tutorial. First, press this. Repeat. Now, go down to now. It's now here. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.